Hey guys, it's finally done! This past summer I spent a good amount of time within these four walls, bringing change to this room. Can you believe 20 years had passed without doing anything here? Look at that boring before. The plain walls, the cabinets that they call vanity, and the Hollywood lights that the builder gave us were our daily view all these years. The broken soap holder in the shower was perhaps the turning point to starting this renovation. We were lucky to have extra space back in the attic. We used 16 inches of it to give our shower a sitting bench and 6 more inches at the top to accommodate a storage niche. On this wall, space under the eaves was utilized for storage. Being that it's a small bathroom, I wanted to keep the bright white palette, accentuating its height. I went for a vintage modern look, incorporating classic elements and mixing them with both modern and warm accessories. Since the very beginning of this bathroom renovation, we knew we didn't want to have a bathtub. We never used the one we had. I'm loving our new shower. It feels open and spacious. The curbless floor design, which means there are no barriers getting to the shower, also adds to the feeling of openness. The little black and white tiles paired with the subway tiles are a classic combo. And the shower fixtures are the jewelry and the modern element this shower needed. I love their streamlined design and its beautiful champagne bronze finish. Storage in the shower was a necessity. The shower niche gave us ample space for the shampoo bottles and shower essentials. A hooked rack replaced the towel bar. The beautiful wooden colors ties in with other elements in the room. Although this is a small room, around 5 by 11 feet, it has a slanted high ceiling that I took advantage of by installing planks on it. It brings the eye all the way up, and the many lines add a layer of texture to the white tones. The Delta faucets follow the clean lines and warm color of the shower fixtures. The single handle means less surfaces to clean, which is a win with a messy husband. The big frameless mirror was replaced by these two I found on Craigslist. The warm wooden tone and good craftsmanship fitted exactly within my design. The gorgeous tone of the wood was carried out onto the art frames above the loo, and my latest trip to San Francisco was the inspiration for the prints. On the other side of the room, the once empty wall was utilized by grabbing precious space from under the eaves to build and install a set of shelves. They give this area an elegant built-in look and a good amount of storage, which is always at a premium in a small space. The air vent, previously on the floor, was moved up in between the shelves and a wall heater was installed above it. They both sit behind a better-looking DIY cover. The shelves are the perfect spot to display and store toiletries that I curled in baskets and ceramic bowls found at thrift stores. The windows above were trimmed, and I even built a fake window to bring symmetry to this wall. Lighting is an important step in any room design. I chose the pendant lights above the vanity to accentuate the high ceiling, and a kind light was installed in the shower area. But without a doubt, the chandelier is the one that gives this bathroom a huge dose of glam. Just because your bathroom is small doesn't mean it can also be beautiful.